First walk around out of the booth. Brilliant job. This is her before being polished or buffed or anything. This is just out of the gun. So, very happy. It's hard to see again on the camera what the real colour of this car is, but whenever we get her out in the daylight, it should hopefully show it. Yeah, very happy. Also, I was showing you the wheels in the last couple of episodes, but I'm unsure and I'm undecided yet. I quite like the look of these XXRs on her. If she was lowered a wee bit and the wheels spaced, maybe 20mm out, I think the XXRs could look good. I'm going to repaint them obviously, but quite like them. I might run them until I can find the lips that I really want for the other wheels. But overall, she's done. This is now Saturday, so you might have seen a few pictures up over the weekend, but this is Saturday and I'm going down on Tuesday afternoon to fit the windscreen, bonnet, glass, all that carry on, and get her sitting sealed up basically. Then coming in on Wednesday with the trailer, bringing her home, and yeah, should be good. Should be good to get her back into the shed, onto the lift, have a good look around her and get building basically. I'm off for a couple of weeks now over Christmas, so there hopefully should be a good bit of progress coming your way. Yeah, very happy. The next stage hopefully will be us probably de-taping and putting glass and panels and stuff on her, so that'll be on Tuesday, and after that then she'll be coming home to me and we'll do a bit of a walk around my own shed. Don't know when you'll see this video, potentially next Saturday, but it's Christmas and stuff. It could be delayed a couple of days obviously, but I'll try my best. Yeah, thank you. There's the bonnet done too. She's sitting, she needs another 3 coats of lacquer I think. I'm not going to go near it, but it needs done as well. There's that needs a wee bit, and the tailgate needs done again, and I think the fuel filler cap, but apart from that everything's in base coat. It's just an extra couple of coats of lacquer for that. It'll be ready for us to fit on Tuesday when I come down, so that's that done. Well, now Tuesday afternoon, time to start putting this thing together. This side has been polished and it is like glass. Very happy. So need to get the windows all cleaned up. The ones I'm using still have stickers on from when I first ran the car in 2014. Well, 2013 I had her on the road I think, but I need to get the windows all bonded in, these ones all cleaned up. Windscreen's being cleaned up at the minute. I'm going to buff it, try and take any wee scratches or anything out of it and just tidy it up. So once it goes on, then a couple more windows in her and she's sealed and she's coming home tomorrow, so I'll keep you posted, or I'll try to keep you posted. It is quite busy throughout the day and we'll go from there. Didn't really get much video footage done today. We've been busy. We'll have the rear windows bonded in, sitting there with tape just in case it gives way during the night, but I don't think it will. It's setting already, the stuff. Door frames, door handles, glass all in and working. The door gaps and stuff, very happy with. It's a wee bit more than a standard car, but it's very good for this with fiberglass wings and rear quarter and stuff on. The windscreen is in, such an arduous job that is. I hate putting windscreens in, especially to a freshly painted car with a brand new windscreen. So tailgate is off. It's off to be polished and buffed. It hasn't been done yet, so it's sitting in here, ready to be polished. Is the bonnet buffed there as well, well, this side of it anyway. You can see there, it's a glass, so that's done. Few jobs to do tomorrow. We have obviously to fit the tailgate and bonnet, fit the bonnet pins and the aero catches into the bonnet and the bonnet ram kit and stuff on it. Fit the tailgate lock, the latch assembly onto the car. The inside of it all needs cleaned out and a quick polish in there. Has never been done yet. The left hand side of the car needs polished and buffed as well yet. But door glass, all the glasses in it, she's sealed up in theory now. Take all the paint tape off for tomorrow, the paint mask plastic stuff and the tape and all off for tomorrow, and get the car home basically. Need to fit the anti-roll bar as well, because as you can see, don't particularly want that hitting the arch on the way home. So get that done. We took into the glass with the buff, and it's like new. It really is. It's come up really well. Excuse the fingerprints on it right enough, but it is getting there. So that's where I'm at today. This is now about, I don't even know what time it is. 10 to 9. I live an hour and a bit away from the paint shop, so I'm going home. I'll be back down tomorrow with the trailer on, take her home. So yeah, very happy. Very happy. I hope you've enjoyed watching this so far, so stay tuned. The next bit should hopefully be panels and get her out into the daylight basically to see what it's going to look like. Well, it's now 20 to 6, Wednesday, day before Christmas Eve. She's coming home. Back together, glass in, tailgating all fitted, working, and good to go. Good to come home. So you get her loaded up onto the trailer and get her home. But it's been a push, but we're there. Anyway, next bit probably my shade, because it's too dark now to do a video. So you'll see her in my shade. Bye. Well, she's home finally, into our rightful resting place. Big thanks to the painter for getting her back to me, for getting such a good job on it. The car is home for Christmas at least. Santa Claus has been good to me. The next stage, well, it'll be after Christmas now. I need to get a feed of Christmas dinner into me, and I'll reconvene next week at some stage. But the next stage, I need to fettle with the bonnet gaps. It's sitting slanty like this a wee bit, so it gets a bit tight down here, and it's a wee bit wider here. So just need to play with that whenever I get her back, or get back to the shed after Christmas. But overall, very happy that she's home. Now the fun begins. It's now, time is it? 8:30 on Wednesday, the day before Christmas Eve. So hopefully, I'm off for a couple of weeks now. Hopefully over Christmas I get a good bit of progress done. Need to nip down and lift all the black trim and the turbo tail and a whole pile of other bits and pieces from the painters after Christmas, and get them and start fitting them then. The inside of her needs all done in, need to buy actually some more fat mat, the black stuff. I quite like the look of the black stuff. And I need to buy some 4-way stretch carpet as well for up in there. I'm going for the standard carpet up the front with no center console for now. I can start building all the wiring and stuff in there and start trying to mock up my dash and all that carry on. So many activities to do, so little time. So yeah, this is a big stage of the project, as you might understand, and I'm just buzzing to have her back to actually get playing with it again. So hope you've enjoyed this video so far, and sorry it's a bit of a brief one. It's been absolutely manic trying to get read up with work, trying to get this thing finished and built up enough to bring her home. So if you like what you've seen so far and you want to see more, you want to see where this project's going, I have the engine with twin twirly boys mounted on. So if you like what you're seeing and you want to see those in action, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell beside the subscribe button to be notified for any new uploads. If you really like what you're seeing, you can pop over to my Patreon, which is in the description. There's a lot more updates on there as it happens, and a lot more live videos and stuff like that to get your opinions on things over there. and a few bits that the public just don't get to know. So if you like what you're seeing, the link should hopefully appear here somewhere as well. The social media icons should appear here. If you pop over and give them a like, subscribe, follow. A bit more active on there, because obviously it takes less time just to pop a picture up instead of putting a full video together. So I'm going to sign off. Have a good Christmas. Hope Santa brings you what you want. And I hope you are all able to get home and see who you need to see for Christmas. I know it's a different one this year, but yeah. Happy Christmas from all here at krisdupreysgarage. And until the new year, most likely. Well, I might get a wee one up before New Year, but till the New Year, most likely. All the best. Bye.